Hello everyone and welcome back to biology. Today we are going to go ahead and get started on lesson number 28, which is on arthropods. To begin with, what are arthropods? Arthropods are animals with segmented bodies that have hard outer coverings and jointed legs. So it's kind of a class of animal that there is. Now, arthropods actually make up the largest kind of animal that exists. There are actually more species of arthropods than any other species of animals in the world combined. So, take the class of arthropods and you count every single one of the species that include arthropods, there would still be more species of arthropods than there would be of different classes of animals in the world. Crazy, right? Arthropods are as big as giant lobsters that you can find in the bottom of the ocean and are also as small as a little tick or even a parasite that you find on a wasp. They can go from that huge to that small, where it's pretty much invisible to the naked eye. So, that is what arthropods are. Arthropods, actually, like invertebrates, have no bones. So, if you go and find a lobster, it doesn't have bone in the inside of it, but it does have a hard outer covering. That hard outer covering that the lobster has is an exoskeleton. An exoskeleton is the hard outer covering of an arthropod that protects and supports the animal. So, like invertebrates that don't have backbone, arthropods don't either, but they do have this hard outer covering or shell type thing that pretty much keeps their insides in place. That's one way to picture it. Now, all species of arthropods differ from one another, okay? And they have all adapted to their different environments. Like, for example, an arthropod from the land wouldn't have to adapt to the same conditions of its environment as an arthropod from the ocean. That's why they all look different. An example would be a tick. A tick is super small. Find them outside in the dirt. The way that they adapt to their environment is that sometimes they get on your pets or on animals and they feed off of them. Then you have a lobster. A lobster lives in the ocean, and of course its environment is way different. So it has adapted to it. That's why there is such a wide variety of species in the arthropod classification. Just so you see an example of what the body type of a crayfish, which is a type of arthropod, I'm going to upload in the next clip a diagram of the different body parts of a crayfish. Please make sure you take a note of this for your assignment. You are going to need to send me a picture of it. This is also going to lead us into next class's lesson, which is where we're going to be talking about the different body parts and their functions. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon. Goodbye.